Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to make a spider web. You see them in the shops made out of string with a few knots in them. Why not make them yourself? So instead of, like in the photo that I've started this with, having 4 pieces of string, I have 6. I haven't got enough tent pegs, so I'm just going to make do with what I've got, and I'm going to tie the string to parts of the fence. So you can see here that I'm drawing all of the pieces of string together at the centre by using a small piece of string and tying it around the middle. But I forgot to include the vertical and the horizontal pieces of string. I've forgotten to put them up, but that was simple. I just tied one to one end of the line and then stretched it across, tied it at the centre and finished stretching it across and tied it again. So I did it on both of those vertical and horizontal strings. So now I'm simply making the spiral around from the centre. You can see there that I didn't start as close to the centre as I should have, but that's easy enough. You can go back and fix that. So I'm just going to keep going and tie knots at every crossing piece of string there, making a spiral pattern. And when the piece of string runs out, I simply get another piece, tie it to the end and keep going. And any pieces of string hanging down can be cut off. So once that's done, you just take a step back and have a look and fill in any pieces that look like that they need a little bit of additional help. And what I did was I went round the outside a little bit more and around the pegs, and then I went back to where I started the spiral and worked my way back inwards a bit, just to make it look a little bit more completed. So as you can see, there are a lot of knots. I usually use a simple double knot around each piece of string, and very shortly you'll see a zoomed in picture of the web with the central knot and all the ones on the outside. So once you've done that, the craft is finished. You have a spider web for your Halloween display. All you need now is a spider to hang in it and maybe a spotlight to highlight the web, and you're done. So I'd like to wish you all a very happy Halloween and thank you for visiting.